Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Speed Reading Mastery Double Reading Speed Skillshare Class. Lecture 9. Introduction. Why speed reading matters. Strategies for continuous improvement. Incorporating speed reading into daily routines. Overcoming reading plateaus and pushing beyond limits. Using technology and tools to support speed reading. Building a lifelong habit of speed reading and continuous learning. Why speed reading matters. Speed reading isn't just a neat party trick or something to brag about to your friends. It's a valuable skill that can save you time, increase your productivity, and enhance your overall quality of life by improving your reading speed. You'll be able to consume more information in less time, which can be especially useful in today's fast-paced world, where we are constantly bombarded with information from all directions. But the benefits of speed reading go beyond just saving time. Research has shown that speed reading can also improve your comprehension and retention of information, as well as your focus and concentration. By training your brain to process information more quickly, you'll be better equipped to handle complex tasks and make decisions more efficiently. So whether you're a student trying to keep up with a heavy workload, a professional looking to stay ahead of the competition, or just someone who wants to be more efficient with their time, speed reading is a skill that can benefit anyone. Strategies for continuous improvement. One effective strategy for improving your speed reading skills is to use a pacer tool, such as a finger or pen, to guide your eyes along the page. This helps to train your eyes to move quickly and smoothly, while also reducing the tendency to regress or backtrack. Another useful technique is to practice active reading, which involves engaging with the text by asking questions, summarizing key points, and making connections to your own experiences. This not only helps to improve comprehension, but also encourages faster reading by keeping your mind focused and alert. Incorporating speed reading into daily routines. One way to incorporate speed reading into your daily routine is by setting aside dedicated time for reading. This can be as little as 10 minutes a day, but it's important to make it a consistent habit. You can also try integrating speed reading techniques into other activities, such as scanning emails or news articles quickly to get the gist of the information. Another strategy is to practice speed reading during downtime, such as waiting in line or commuting on public transportation. Instead of scrolling through social media or staring out the window, use this time to read a book or article at an accelerated pace. Not only will this help you improve your speed reading skills, but it can also be a productive use of otherwise wasted time. Overcoming reading plateaus and pushing beyond limits. Improving your speed reading skills can be a challenging journey, and it's easy to hit a plateau where progress seems to stall. Common obstacles include distractions, lack of focus, and difficulty retaining information. However, with the right mindset and strategies, you can push beyond these limits and continue to improve. One effective technique is to practice active reading, which involves engaging with the text on multiple levels, such as highlighting key points, summarizing sections, and asking questions. This helps to keep your mind focused and actively processing information. Another strategy is to vary the type of material you read, which can help to prevent boredom and maintain motivation. For example, you might switch between fiction and non-fiction, or try reading different genres within a particular topic area. Using technology and tools to support speed reading. There are a plethora of tools and technologies available to support speed reading, ranging from apps and software to dedicated hardware devices. One popular option is the Spritz app, which displays text in a rapid serial visual presentation (SVP) format to help users read more quickly. Another tool is the Beeline Reader, which uses color gradients to make text easier to follow and reduces eye strain. For those who prefer physical devices, The Kindle Paperwhite offers a variety of features to enhance reading speed, such as adjustable font sizes and the ability to look up definitions instant. When selecting tools to support speed reading, it's important to consider your individual preferences and needs. For example, some people may benefit from apps that offer gamification elements to make learning more fun, while others may prefer more straightforward tools that focus purely on improving reading speed. Additionally, it's worth exploring different types of tools for different types of reading material. For example, an e-reader may be ideal for reading novels, while a speed reading app may be more suited to non-fiction texts or articles. Building a lifelong habit of speed reading and continuous learning. To truly make speed reading a lifelong habit, it is important to integrate it into your broader culture of continuous learning. This means setting aside dedicated time each day for reading and committing to ongoing personal and professional development. One practical tip for building a lifelong habit of speed reading is to start small and gradually increase your reading speed over time. You can also try incorporating speed reading into your daily routine by reading articles or books during your commute or lunch break. Conclusion. In conclusion, maintaining speed reading skills requires consistent practice and implementation of effective strategies. Here are some key points to remember. 1. Regular practice. Speed reading is a skill that requires ongoing practice to maintain and improve. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to practice speed reading techniques. 2. Use proper techniques. Learn and implement effective speed reading techniques, such as minimizing subvocalization, pronouncing words in your head, using your peripheral vision, and chunking information into meaningful groups. 3. Reading material selection. Choose appropriate reading materials that align with your speed reading goals. Start with easier texts and gradually progress to more complex and challenging material. 4. Focus and concentration. Maintain a focused and concentrated mindset while speed reading. Minimize distractions, find a quiet environment, and eliminate interruptions to maximize your reading speed. 5. Comprehension checks. Speed reading should not come at the expense of understanding and comprehension. Periodically pause and assess your understanding of the material, if necessary. Slow down and reread sections that require further comprehension. 6. Eye exercises. Perform regular eye exercises to strengthen your eye muscles and improve your eye movement speed. These exercises can help you move your eyes smoothly across lines of text, leading to increased reading speed. 7. Review and reflect. After speed reading a text, take a moment to review and reflect on the key points, summarize what you've read, highlight important details, or discuss the content with others. This process reinforces your comprehension and retention of the material. 8. Set realistic goals. Set realistic and achievable goals for your speed reading progress. Track your reading speed over time and strive for gradual improvement, rather than immediate perfection. Remember that speed reading is not always the most suitable approach for all types of reading. Some materials may require a slower and more careful reading pace. It's important to adapt your reading style accordingly based on the content and your reading goals. By incorporating these strategies into your routine and maintaining consistent practice, you can continue to develop and maintain your speed reading skills over time.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.